सो दोस्तों यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि कारपेट का एग्जीबिशन है डोमोटेक्स मिडल ईस्ट, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एग्जीबिशन ऑफ कारपेट्स एंड मैट्स एंड ऑल द कैटेगरी। यहाँ पे अलग अलग कंट्री से लोग आए हैं। अब आपको तो पता ही कि कारपेट में ईरान सबसे बड़ा मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो है ना ट्रेडिशनल कारपेट के लिए जाना जाता है। तो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कंपनी फ्रॉम ईरान है ना फार्को, इनका ये स्टॉल है। इनका दुबई में सबसे बड़ा शोरूम है, उनका ये स्टॉल है यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन में। अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे अलग अलग कैटेगरीज के कारपेट्स रखे हैं। साइजेस 1x2 मीटर, 1x3 मीटर, 4x8 वो साइजेस यहाँ पे रखे हैं एंड इनके हज़ारों दिरहम में, डॉलर्स में प्राइसेस है। अगर आप देखेंगे ये कारपेट, ये सिल्क का कॉम सिल्क बोलते हैं, इसका ये कारपेट है 1x1.5 मीटर एंड इसका कॉस्ट अगर आप देखेंगे, इसका प्राइस अगर आप देखेंगे तो 55,000 दिरहम इसका प्राइस है। ये अलग कैटेगरी है, द सेम साइज 1 and 1.5 मीटर, 25,000 दिरहम इसका प्राइस है। तो उसके बाद अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ से इंडिया में भी जा रहा है, बाकी सारे देशों में भी जा रहा है। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि बड़े बड़े कारपेट है, छोटे से बड़े, लोग शोपीस की तरह भी रख सकते हैं, लोग यूज़ भी करते हैं होटल्स में वगैरह और गिफ्टिंग भी करते हैं। तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो बड़े बड़े कारपेट्स हैं एंड ये अलग अलग साइजेस के, अलग अलग डायमेंशंस के। तो दिस कारपेट इज 80 ईयर्स ओल्ड, प्योर सिल्क। दिस इज 80 ईयर ओल्ड कारपेट, हैंडमेड प्योरली। तो इन्होंने जो कहा कि कारपेट में लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करते हैं, इसकी वैल्यू दिन ब दिन बढ़ती है। तो लाइक गोल्ड, पीपल आर बाइंग कारपेट्स, एंटीक कारपेट्स, and they are keeping it as an investment and then over the year then they are selling it. So this is a huge investment. इनकी इसकी प्राइस मिलियंस में होगी, मिलियन डॉलर्स में होगी। जो हमारे पीछे दिख रहा है 10x6 मीटर का एक पूरा कारपेट है। तो बड़े बड़े होटल्स जो होते हैं 7 स्टार 5 स्टार दुनिया के, ये सारे लोग यही कारपेट बाय करते हैं। ये कारपेट है 3x4 मीटर। अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसकी साइज है 3x4 मीटर, हैंडमेड प्योरली वुल एंड सिल्क से बनाया हुआ कारपेट है। 4x3 मीटर इसका साइज है। दिस इज अ 35 ईयर ओल्ड कारपेट, 35 साल पुराना कारपेट है और इसका प्राइस है 850,000 दिरहम, 8.5 लाख दिरहम। 8.5 लाख दिरहम मतलब इंडियन रुपीज में अगर आप देखेंगे तो 2 करोड़ का ये सिर्फ कारपेट है, 2 करोड़ रुपीज है ना। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना बड़ा ये कारोबार है। तो ये बड़े बड़े कारपेट्स है और इतना इनका प्राइसिंग है। तो पीपल आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन कारपेट, बहुत बड़ा इंडस्ट्री यहाँ पे ये है। तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो मेरे पीछे ये बहुत बड़ा एक कारपेट है 7x5 मीटर्स और प्योर सिल्क का है। इसकी वैल्यू है 2.5 मिलियन दिरहम, मतलब इंडियन रुपए में अगर आप देखेंगे तो 6 करोड़ का ये कारपेट है, 6 करोड़ रुपए का एक कारपेट है। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना बड़ा कारोबार है ये और यहाँ पे जो कारपेट है उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी। और ये कंपनी होलसेल में भी बेचती है, रिटेल में भी बेचती है, ऑनलाइन भी बेचती है और 40 साल से कारोबार कर रही है। तो इंडिया में भी ये इंडस्ट्री है, सोनीपत, पानीपत, बाकी शहरों में, उनको भी अपने प्रोडक्ट इस तरह से मार्केट में लाने चाहिए। लोगों को बताना पड़ेगा कि वो प्रोडक्ट अपने क्यों खरीदे, उसका क्या वैल्यू है, उसका लाइफ कितना है, क्वालिटी क्या है, और तभी वो मार्केट में बेचेंगे। तो हमने ये देखा है मार्केट में कि जो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स है ना, जो अच्छे प्रोडक्ट है उसको ही मार्केट में वैल्यू मिलती है। बाकी सारा तो कचरा है, फिर उसमें बहुत कंपटीशन होता है। बट अगर आपकी प्रोडक्ट यूनिक है, अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन है, ब्रांड्स है, ऑथेंटिसिटी है, लेगेसी है ना, अच्छी सर्विस है, तो 100% ऐसे सभी प्रोडक्ट्स को मार्केट है, राइट। तो ऑल बिग पीपल जिनके पास पैसा है वो सब लोग ये प्रोडक्ट बाय कर रहे हैं, राइट। तो हमें भी, इंडियंस को भी ये बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। आप इस कंपनी के साथ भी मिलकर काम कर सकते हो। दे आर वेरी ओपन, फ्लेक्सिबल इन पेमेंट टर्म्स एंड pricing in collaboration. So I think this is a good opportunity for our new people. Thank you all. Keep watching us. Keep following us. Friends, welcome to Dubai. We are here in World Trade Center and in Domotex, Middle East, one of the largest exhibition in carpets. So here we are seeing big companies here. They are showcasing their products and trying to promote it. And there are very good quality products here. We can see in mats and in carpets and all those things. It's very impressive. Such one big company we came across here. So we'll talk to them. We will understand the industry, products. And if you want to work with them, obviously this is video for you. So welcome to Import-Export Federation.
Thank you.
Please tell us about your company and yourself and how's the response here.
Thank you very much. First thing, welcome to Domotex. It is the largest exhibition for carpet and flooring. Today we're here at our stand. First, we represent Farco. We are a company based in Dubai that deal in handmade Persian carpets. We've been dealing in this business for almost 40 years now. That it's a family established business. As you can see, our products here, they vary in different sizes. So the unique thing about all these carpets is that everything's entirely handmade.
All are handmade?
All are handmade.
Okay.
So the difference is that also there is different materials. So we have silk material, which is pure natural silk, coming out of the worms directly.
Yeah.
And we have the wool and silk mix, and we have the wool as well, which comes from the sheep.
Okay.
So the difference also that you can see that there are different designs. The designs all rely on the heritage and culture of the different cities in Iran. So to name a few cities that we actually buy the carpets from are Qom, Isfahan, Tabriz, Kerman, Shiraz. These are the different cities that we get the carpets from.
Right.
So since we are based in Dubai for many years, what we do is we import the carpets to Dubai and we sell to the rest of the world.
Okay. How big is this industry? I mean, you are here since 40 years, 4 decades. I mean, you must be doing very well. And I think you must be exporting it to many countries. So how many countries you export to?
We export to at least 15 different countries. And by countries, I mean, we also look at different regions. So also the Far East, we cater to Europe, cater to Canada, cater to Australia. There's endless destinations where we ship our carpets to.
Okay.
And that gives us the flexibility to showcase to the world this beautiful art and culture.
Right. So you are only dealing with Iran products,
yes.
Right? You are basically from which country?
We are from Iran.
You are from Iran.
Yes, but we are based in Dubai.
Okay. But this is a trading business. You're not a manufacturer.
No.
Okay. So you also send it to India?
Yes, we do. Recently, we actually had a number of Indian wholesalers who are buying from us, and we ship them directly to India.
Okay. When we saw this product, it looks very, very, carefully made.
Yes.
So such a good design. And how much time it takes to manufacture this?
So I'll give you this example, for example. So here, this carpet is in terms of size, we're talking 1.5 meters by 1 meter.
Okay.
So you always look at the width. If this is 1 meter width, per meter, you actually get one person to fit in.
Okay.
Okay, so one person is sitting behind the loom, weaving it step by step, all the way from down to the top. Something of this size takes approximately 12 to 13 months, one piece.
12 to 13 months?
One piece.
One piece?
Yes.
My God.
And this is why the handmade carpet tradition is very known in Iran since many years. And at the same time, they appreciate in value. So a lot of people tend to put their money as investment in gold. We call this also another form of gold.
Okay.
The value of the carpet appreciates over time.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so it's like an investment.
Yes. We have a lot of customers that walk into our shop.
Yeah.
They buy and they store. They don't buy to use.
Yeah, because here also we saw some companies selling antique carpet.
We have some antiques over there. This is at least 80 years old.
80 years old.
Yes. All the colors used are natural. The size is 2 meter by 3 meter, entirely wool. Very fine quality from the city of Tabriz in Iran.
Okay.
So something like that is definitely a genuine dual investment.
Okay. So what's the life of this carpet?
The life, that's a very good question. This actually lasts not for years, but for generations. So this is passed on to future generations, family, etc. I mean, the oldest rug was discovered, I don't know, many years ago in Russia. It was known, the design is called the Pazirik rug. It was actually a Persian rug that was discovered underneath the snow. And can you imagine, after all these years have passed, the rug is still in shape that it could actually be viewed at one of the museums in Europe.
Right. So how big is this industry if you look at the whole world?
It's huge. It's I don't have a figure, but I can tell you there are millions and millions. I can tell you the most expensive Persian rug was recently auctioned last year in the US, and that one-piece rug went for $33 million.
$33 million?
Yes.
Apart from Iran, who all other countries are there? I mean, who are your competitors?
We don't look at other countries in terms of competition, but obviously there is the Pakistani carpets, there is the Indian carpets, the Chinese carpets. I mean, different countries have different carpets, but this has a long-term heritage. So if you go anywhere around the world, you say Persian carpets, it's directly known. Even if you visit the museums, the museums always have to have at least one Persian carpet on display.
Right. Right. So let's say you have a good base and you are coming from Iran,
Yes.
so you are selling it.
Yes.
Let's say other importers, exporters, or other traders,
Yes.
other trading companies
Yes.
who wish to work in this industry.
Yes.
Do you see any scope for them to sell?
So
this product?
first thing you need to do is you need to create this level of education and awareness to the people. They need to understand why this is an expensive product.
Right.
They need to understand the investment idea behind it. And most importantly, is this is a product of patience. This is not an item you buy today, you sell tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right? You need to be very patient. And with patience and the right education, you'll be able to really, really succeed in this industry.
Right. So new people can also trade this? They can also sell this?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And now I think I recommend the new people to look into online sales.
Okay.
So what we've done with our business is traditionally we have a shop, which is the largest shop in the UAE for handmade carpets at the moment.
Okay.
We brought the business online. So we use social media like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok to actually push our content online to sell our carpets.
Right.
And believe it or not, with the right relationship, the right discussions and networking, we are able to sell online and ship worldwide.
Great. I think that's a big lesson for us, for all traders. We have to be very active on social media. We have to promote our products, our industry. Definitely, you will see positive response from that. So, from online also, you must be generating good business then.
Absolutely. In the last 2 years, we've generated a big number of sales.
How
online.
much is the percentage, if you see?
We're talking in the millions.
Okay.
Let's talk
That's
in dirhams. AED.
Right. So, let's say our people, our associate, how can they tie with your company? I mean, can they become your marketing partner? Or can they buy at good price from you and then sell?
Absolutely. So the nature of our business is wholesale and retail.
Okay.
So although we have a retail shop, we show our retail customers that we're welcome to sell to them as well. But we are mainly wholesalers. So we buy in bulk and we sell in bulk. And obviously they'll get the wholesale price and they'll be able to resell at their own premium.
Right. So who are your customers categories, target market?
All kind of customers. Being in the GCC region, citizens are the number one priority customers who visit us and buy from us in bulk. But I mean, we generally get customers from all over the world, even from the US, where people think it's an
more
import.
for household use or for commercial, for
In the
hospitality?
past, it used to be more wholesale focus, and now it's focused more retail.
Retail. And people are buying it for their
own home use or investment.
Okay. Right. So that's great. I think if you could show us some products and their prices, that will be helpful. Different
Yeah,
categories.
you can have a look. For example, this is 1.5 by 1 meter from the city of Qom. It is pure natural silk.
Right.
Something like this will be going around $10,000.
$10,000.
Yes.
Okay.
This piece.
That's a wholesale price, or this is a
This is the tag price. That's not
okay tag price, but that can be negotiated.
Absolutely.
Okay. And how do you ship this by air, ocean? How do you ship it?
It depends
If
on
you
the
get any-
customer. So if the customer prefers, depending on the customer prefers using a ship, we will happy to arrange that. Otherwise, we can do it by air. He can receive it faster. We
Okay.
also do
Depends
door-to-door
on-
service. By the way.
Depends on the quantity, basically. Then, what are your payment terms in general? When customer buy from
That
you?
can be discussed upon agreement once we draft a contract together. We're very flexible with
Okay,
payment terms.
that is possible. Negotiations are
absolutely.
possible then.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's a big opportunity for new people. Such big companies, such good products, which has a huge, legacy, are worth to trade. I think you should look into that. What about Indian market? What do you see about think about Indian market? I mean, their products and that market.
Honestly, we don't have much experience in the Indian market. However, recently, like I said, we had some good wholesale purchases that came from India. So what we do is we support them with the products, but they obviously know the market better than us.
You are selling it to India also.
Yes. Recently, we had a number
What's
of
the volume?
we're talking about at least 1 or 2 containers
Okay.
of handmade carpets.
Handmade carpets. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your time. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Same here. Yeah.